Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we will be making a mango smoothie, or a mango lassi. Instead of fresh mango, I'm using frozen mangoes since it's out of season, but you can easily replace the frozen mango with fresh mango. So for the recipe, it calls for 1 cup of mango. And honestly, you can replace the mango with any fruit that you like. So just 1 cup of any fruit, but I'm just using mango. 3/4 of a cup of vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. 1½ cups of milk, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using turbinado or turbinado sugar, but you can just use regular white sugar. Yeah. So let's begin. This is really easy and straightforward. I'm just going to go ahead and add in my mango. And then my yogurt. It's 1. Two. And 3. Very loose measurements that I'm using here. Then I'm going to add in my 1½ cups of milk. If you're using fresh mango, just 1 cup is fine, but since the mango I'm using is frozen, it's going to make it thicker, and I like a thinner consistency, so I'm just adding a little bit more of milk to thin it out a little bit. And finally, the sugar. You can totally adjust the amount of sugar to your preference. For me, I think 1½ teaspoons is perfect. Now let's go ahead and give this a play. Oops. Let me go ahead and clean off this top here. Okay. As for how long to blend, I just kind of counted to 30 in my head. Now we have our smoothie blended and ready to be put into a glass. And here we have it, a very quick and simple mango smoothie. Of course, you can use the smoothie formula to adapt to any fruit of your choosing. And yeah, it's really simple, and you can honestly adjust any of the ingredients to your own preferences. But it's always good to have a little bit of a guideline. Well, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.